Hey guys, it's RoamTips, and in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily check all your Snapchat credentials. Let's get started right away. Launch the app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Scroll down and select My Data. Here you will see different types of data. You can enable or disable the ones you want. For example, memories, chat media, and shared stories take up a lot of space, so you can select only the most important data if you need it. You can choose whether you want to download all time, the last year, a week, or a day. Customize the range as you wish. Submit your request. Click Submit, and Snapchat will start generating your request. Depending on the amount of data, this may take some time. Download and open the file. You will receive a notification in Snapchat once your request has been processed. Download the zip file and open it to see all the data, your chats, search history, photos, and more.